sends smiles across the miles.
Big up my mother.
Auntie Cherry, me miss you.
Yell up the little London district.
Stay connected this holiday season with your loved ones near and far by sending greetings across the world.
Greetings out to everybody. Greetings across the world. Big up, we are saying greetings out to everybody. Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world.
GATW starts now.
So even though I was not in Jamaica when Hurricane Melissa hit, it has significantly impacted my emotions, the fact that I have so many family members and friends who are living in Jamaica, my Jamaican brothers and sisters, and it was just very heart-wrenching, especially when I couldn't hear from persons for days on end.
We feel a lot hopeless. We're not able to be there with our people to give them a helping hand in a time of need. When the hurricane was occurring, I think everyone here, just for us, all of us just slowed down. I think in our day-to-day life, certain things that we normally would do as a people, I realized that everyone was a bit drawn back, just anticipating what was going to happen. It was really tough when we were unable to hear from some of our relatives back home, which really affected us a lot. I think in this time, I think mental health is one of the ones that we might have to look at a lot with our people, because a lot of us was wondering, feeling a lot hopeless and not knowing what's the right and correct step to take for our people.
I'm in jail trying to send money to help. I've been helping since day one. You know, I'm from Middle Quarters, and the whole place is wrecked. My brothers, my family, everybody who I grew up with needs stuff. So right now, my bank account is empty because I've been sending money every day. But I'm doing this for you guys because I know what it is. I'm not there, well, not in person, but in spirit. I'm doing my best to help. And I'm happy to see the outpouring to people here in Canada because they've been doing their best. I'm just hoping that you guys, you know, can weather the storm. We'll build back stronger. I know that because we're Jamaican. Strongest people in the world.
When I saw the news, it was so terrifying. I was crying. And I couldn't reach my family. I couldn't contact no one, no family, no friend. Even the next day when a little call came in, it was just like cut off, and that was so devastating. It was just terrible. I was so sad.
I know it's not easy for you guys because even in Gilbert and Ivan, it was so terrible. We couldn't walk the roads that we usually walk on, bore you in your feet and all of that stuff. So I know what you guys are going through. We have to be moving debris from all over the place, cleaning up houses, putting on sinks on roof. It wasn't easy, so I can just imagine what you guys are going through with this one, and I heard it's very terrible. But I'm just sorry that I'm not there to be able to help this time.
I cried and I was fearful, but then I go back and I said, what is to be must be. So I give God the glory and the honor and the praise for all those communities that are not affected. Only, you know, the debris are down and there's no water and electricity at the moment. But we know we're gonna build back Jamaica. Jamaica gonna build again, yeah? We're gonna put the pieces together, and if we are to help from across the world, we gonna help.
And it's after a storm, it must be a calm. So make we join and love each other. One Jamaica, one love, one joy, one happiness.
Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world.
Let's stay connected this holiday season with Greetings Across the World. Brought to you by JN Money and JN Bank.